Hello, good morning, friends and my viewers. Hope you are doing all well, healthy, and happy. In newspaper we are reading so many of negative news about NEET paper leak, about the bridge collapse in the Delhi airport. Many things are there which are quite negative, and these things, point out at one main, you can say, uh, thing that humanity is degrading to this extent that it's very, very difficult to reverse situations now. We cannot, say that the government is not doing anything. We cannot just put allegations on officials or people. But yes, the current scenario really points out that this degradation of humanity, this kind of corruption, this kind of things happening because of insincerity of people towards their work, and these kind of things happening because people are least bothered about any kind of mishappening that could happen in future. If we talk about the NEET paper leak, the thing has been entangled so much. There are so many knots which have to be, opened up. And each and every knot, when this is actually opened up by the CBI, things come so badly in shape. The school principals are involved. Some say that the banks are involved. Coaching centers are involved. Like, it's such a pity to hear. It is such a sad situation for India now that in this nation, when we talk about Viksit Bharat, we talk about the growing India, we talk about growing GDP and so many things, industrialization, everything we talk about. But then what is this happening if we are growing then? Okay, principal, the education department, education people, they are involved in these scams. They are misleading the students, the young generation, and there's a tug of war because the students are in the center. At one point these corrupt people are there, and other point are the coaching centers which are waiting for the decision to come so that they can start a fresh coaching for the students. Now, in this tug of war, in the middle we have the student. What of the student? What of their future? What of the students who are going to pass their 12th and give the NEET next year? Okay, so in this corrupt situation, I would say this is not today's problem. This is a problem which is happening since many years. Corruption has just gone deep down in our country, and it's very difficult to remove it from the roots because it's the humanity which has actually become dead in people, and the people have lost their sensitivity and their empathy for the other person. Okay, second thing was, which I just saw in the newspaper, was the collapse of the roof of the Delhi airport. Now they have made such a beautiful structure. It's very nice. Everyone would appreciate, yeah, it's such a beautiful structure. So many pillars are there, and this is an artistic structure made by the architect. Now what is after that? After so many years, rusting has happened, but no inspection. People are roaming there, coming to the airport. This is such a busy area, but no engineers are not bothered, officers are not bothered. No one who is actually should be bothered is bothered about investigating or just invigilating the situation and checking if there is problem. A person was dead because of the collapse, who was a cab driver who had actually dropped a passenger and was just about to move. What was his fault that he got dead? He would have never imagined that this kind of thing would happen, and that will cause his death. What about his family? The government has given 20 lakhs to their family, but what about the loss of that innocent person because of no reason, because of the laxity, because of the irresponsible behavior of people who have made this huge structure? Okay, so I would just want to send a message to people who are involved in various things, the officers on top. Please don't just sublet or just give the divide your work and then just forget about it. Okay, it's not that you are having the power that things will be managed according to your orders. Okay, it's very important that the person who is at the top leading that particular situation should dig deep if their subordinates are working perfectly or not. So please take interest in what work has been assigned, and interest in what you are assigned to do. Even if you are having a lot of power, it makes no sense on just sitting on the chair happy to have that power, and you don't know what is happening deep down within your team. Okay, this is really a bad situation what is happening in this country. This actually is just a direction, it's a warning signal, I would say a red signal, that please people have humanity, please people abstain from corruption. This is heights of things happening now. Bye.